Hear the hiccups? That would be my ear. I don't know, eating my ear.
He's squeaking.
I don't know if it's the. I think it's the hiccups. You got the hiccups this morning. Yeah, it's the hiccups.
Oh, porcupine hiccups. Oh man, and I thought the bottle feeding was cute.